Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Walgreens to do our haul for this week and I'm really excited. There are some very high value digital coupons. So every single deal you are going to see in this video is using no paper coupons, no printables, and none from our Sunday paper. So super beginner friendly. I also have a scenario if it is your first day couponing at Walgreens, you have no register rewards, no Walgreens cash to roll. I have a great moneymaker scenario for you, less than $10 out of pocket, and you're gonna get some rewards back. So definitely stay tuned if you're trying to see how much you can save at Walgreens this week. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Take a second and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, if you're looking for a channel to help you save thousands of dollars each year with some easy coupon deals, I can definitely help you do that. I also have a giveaway later in this video. I am gonna be giving away some coupon inserts. So Sunday coming up, we are getting 3 inserts, a Smart Source, a Retail Me Not, and our March PG insert is coming out. So I am gonna be giving away 2 different sets of inserts, and the PG is gonna come with the Tide coupons, which I love so, so much. So stay tuned, I'll let you guys know a little later in the video how you can enter. And I am gonna be choosing both of the winners on Wednesday in my online Walgreens haul that I am gonna be posting for you with some even more amazing deals. I know a lot of you still aren't able to get out to the stores with all of the crazy weather across the country. So I wanna do some more online hauls and online deals that you guys can do as well right from your house. A lot of you have been asking for that, so your wish is my command. So let's go inside and take advantage of some great deals at Walgreens this week. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna be using this booster for spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash. Accounts do vary, but definitely double check on your account. Go to Shop and Save at the bottom on the app, then go to Savings, scroll through and see if you have that digital booster. If you do, definitely clip it now so it doesn't disappear. So the first deal we're gonna grab is some Tresemme. They are 2 for $8 this week. The more expensive ones are 2 for $10. We do have this $5 off 2 digital coupon that does attach to the cheaper ones, making these $3 for both or $1.50 each. Of course, at the end, we will go over the total scenario, all the deals I'm putting together, and what my cost out of pocket is gonna be. So I want to show you guys real quick how to scan the products on the Walgreens app. That way you can make sure that the digital coupon is attaching. So right when you open the app, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to click the search on the top right. Then you're going to click the little barcode. We are going to take the product and scan it right in the window. Now, when you scroll down, it's gonna let you know if there's any available coupons. Shows here we have a $5 off coupon. Click Learn More. That'll show you exactly what the coupon is. It's $5 off 2. Mine has a check mark already because I've already clipped that and sent it to my card. If you haven't, it'll be a little plus sign, so make sure that you click that and send it to your card. Here is a deal that you can do on some diapers as well using the Shopkick app. So if you're new to Shopkick, my link is below in the description box so you can get signed up. And doing this deal, you will get an additional $5 bonus. So let me explain it for you. What you're gonna do is just grab one of these little movers, whatever size that you need. They have a bunch of different sizes. They're 2 for $20, or if you buy one, it's $12.99. Now, we're not gonna do this deal because it doesn't really wind up panning out. You have to spend too much. So we're just gonna grab one of them at $12.99. We have this $3 off 1 digital coupon. So you'll pay $9.98 out of pocket. You can use register rewards or Walgreens cash to lower that, of course. Then you're gonna submit to Shopkick. You're gonna get 510 kicks back. You multiply that by 0.004. That's how you get the cash value of $2.04. Then, if you are new to Shopkick and you sign up and you do this deal, you're gonna get an additional $5 bonus. So now you're getting back $7.04 from Shopkick, which is gonna make your final cost about $2.92 for a bag of diapers, which is definitely an amazing deal. Here's a cheap deal that you can do to grab some oral care. So Crest is going to be buy two, get a $2.50 register reward, and these are $2.99. So you're gonna grab two of them, that'll bring you to $5.98. We do have this $3 off of two digital coupon. You'll wind up paying $2.98, getting back a $2.50 register reward, making it 48 cents for both, or about 24 cents each. So great deal on oral care. Now, I personally already used that $3 off two digital coupon, so the only one that I have left would be a $1 off one digital coupon, so that makes the deal obviously not worth it. But if you still have that 3 off of 2 digital, definitely add this to the cart. Here is an amazing freebie that we're gonna grab using Ibotta. So we're gonna grab 2 of these silhouette right here. They are 2 for $10. We have this $5 off 2 digital coupon. So right there, that makes them half off. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta. This rebate is attaching for $5 back on 2, making both of them completely free. So let me show you real quick how you scan it on Ibotta to make sure that it's working. So when you're on the Ibotta app, you're gonna click Walgreens. If Walgreens isn't right there, you're just gonna search for it. Then you're gonna click the little search button, and again, click the barcode, very similar to what you do on the Walgreens or CVS app. Then you're gonna scan it, and it's gonna pop up whatever offer attaches to that product. Another way you can do it, if you click on the rebate here, scroll down, you're gonna click check product barcode. When you scan it, it says offer match. So that's how you know that you will get the rebate if you buy 2 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna share this deal with you, but I'm having issues with the digital coupon. So Axe body wash is 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $2 register reward. Now, they're out of the Phoenix, so I don't know if that one is maybe the one that's working. I scanned this one on the Walgreens app. It's included in the deal, but this digital coupon for $5.99 off 2 is not pulling up that it's attaching. I searched for Axe, that digital coupon is not pulling up at all. So not sure if they're having issues with that in general. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you guys purchased a certain variety and if it worked for you. If it does work, you'll wind up paying $2 and a penny out of pocket, and you'll get back a $2 register reward, making these pretty much free. So I was definitely gonna add that in with my deal, but I know I'm gonna have issues at checkout, so we'll see how it goes. Another deal I'm gonna add is the Suave. So these are $2 each. You can grab the men's or the women's. That'll bring you to $4. Then we have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupon. That'll make them $1.25 each. So not a horrible deal, but it's a digital coupon and it'll be great to add in with a spend booster. Here is another Shopkick deal that you can do. This deal does use paper coupons. First thing I want to mention is that is like literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Anyway, what you're gonna do is grab one of these Vaseline Healing Cocoa Butter Jellies. They are $5.79. And remember, it's still going on for all of February. Buy 2, you're gonna get the 3rd free, and you can mix and match. The free product is gonna be the cheapest of what you're grabbing, so keep that in mind. Then we're gonna grab one of these Cocoa Radiant, or 2 of these actually, Cocoa Radiants for $4.49. One of them will be free. Then we're gonna use these $2 off 1 coupons. Has to be 6.8 ounce or larger. That's 10 ounces, so we're good on that. And this is 7.5 ounces, so we're good on that. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick for 1,350 kicks. Multiply that by 0.004, and that's gonna give you back $5.40, which is amazing. So let's go over our numbers for this deal. Okay, so our total for all 3 of these products is gonna be $10.28. Then we have $4 in coupons. Remember, one of these is free, so it's gonna ring up as $0. So don't track the 3rd price towards any spend amount booster total. So then we're gonna pay $6.28, submit to Shopkick, get back $5.40, making our final cost 88 cents for all 3 products, or 29 cents each, which is definitely a great deal. Okay, another deal I was gonna do is on the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. So I'll still go over the deal in case your store has it in stock. They're always $5. There is the $1.25 Walgreens store digital coupon, and you can use this $1 off one manufacturer digital coupon. That'll make your final cost just $2.75. Now this $1.25 coupon also works on the Kleenex, and it works on the Scott paper towels that are over here. So you can grab this as well, and this would be just $3.75. Okay, so this is gonna be the beginner-friendly version. So if you have no Walgreens cash, no register rewards to start with, this is gonna be a great deal for you. So for the spend booster, you have to hit $20 on the nose or more in product value for the booster to work. If you're at $19.99, it will not work. Now, to pay for that spend 20 deal, you have to come up with the $20 in coupons, register rewards, and cash, credit, whatever. So let's go over this. Total for these products is gonna be $21.98. We don't have any Walgreens store coupons that are gonna mess with the total, so we're good with that. Then for digital coupons, we have $5.99 off 2, 5 off 2, and a 3 off 2. That'll take off $13.99. We'll be left to pay $7.99 plus taxes out of pocket, pay that with cash. If you want to use register rewards, if you do have them, then you're gonna need to add filler items. So grab like the Arizona iced tea or something like that. But again, if you have nothing to start with, you're gonna pay $7.99 plus taxes in cash, debit, credit, whatever. You're gonna get back a $2 register reward for this, $2.50 register reward for this, and $5 Walgreens cash. So you are gonna be getting back $9.50 worth of rewards, points, things that you can use towards other products. That'll make your final cost free and $1.51 moneymaker. So right when you check out, if you wanna then take those $9.50 worth of rewards, go buy $9.50 worth of product, you can, and then it's gonna be completely free. So now let's go over the more advanced version that I'm gonna do. Here is another way you can do the transaction. So total for all these products is gonna be $42.72. Then for all of the coupons that we have, paper coupons and digital coupons, it'll be $22.99 worth of coupons. So right there, we're hitting that $20 spend threshold, all with digital coupons. Now we can roll Walgreens cash to pay for the remaining out-of-pocket balance. After the coupons come off, I'm gonna be left to pay $19.72 plus taxes. You can use Walgreens cash to pay for some of the taxes. So including tax, it'll put me over $20. So I can roll $20 in Walgreens cash rewards. I'll still get back the $5 Walgreens cash from the spend booster. Then we're gonna get back $5 from Ibotta for this, $5.40 from Shopkick for the Vaseline deal, a $2.50 register reward, and a $2 register reward. Now, if you like to think of moneymakers as far as cash, I'm gonna be paying about $2 out of pocket in cash after I roll all my rewards. Then I'm gonna get back $5 cash from Ibotta and $5.40 cash from Shopkick. So I'll be getting back $10.40 cash, making it still a moneymaker and about what, like a $6 cash moneymaker, which is awesome. So let's go check out. Fingers crossed we don't have issues with this axe. Okay, so it's time to enter in the giveaway to win some coupon inserts. All you have to do to participate is be a current subscriber. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button. Go ahead and smash the like button on this video and drop a comment below. Just let me know what your favorite deal is that you're gonna be doing this week at Walgreens. Could be an online deal or it could be a deal for in-store. I will be announcing the winner on Wednesday in my Walgreens online haul video that I'm gonna be posting. So you only have about 2 days to go ahead and enter. Good luck to everybody, and I will announce the winner soon. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. Everything went great except for one coupon, but that was my fault. And I wanna explain something explain something to you before we get into it. Now, I use my account and I use my mom's account to get her some products as well. So I had that spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash on my account, but I didn't have the Axe coupon on my account. I had it on my mom's account. So what I wound up doing is something a little different than what I showed you in store. And I used a paper Catalina booster for spend 30, get $7 Walgreens cash. On my mom's account, I had spend 35, get $3 Walgreens cash. Obviously not as good, but I could combine the two together, so I got back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. Now, big tip, anytime you're using a Catalina booster, which is those paper register reward boosters, you cannot use points at all, no matter what. So my out-of-pocket was a little higher, but I got back a ton of rewards. I got back the cash from Ibotta and Shopkick, so I was happy with how everything turned out. So let me go over my receipts with you. I went ahead and did the Axe in a separate transaction, just the Axe, because I didn't know if that digital coupon was gonna come off, and I just wanted to check and see. So this is what I did for my spend 30, get $7 Walgreens cash, and I combined it with the spend 35, get $3 Walgreens cash booster. I got 2 Arizona teas so that I could use 2 register rewards. Got the Vaseline, I did the Tresemme and the Crest. So I scanned in that booster first. Then the two $2 Vaseline came off, $5 Depend, Crest came off. This was the issue. I guess I had a $2 Tresemme clipped and I didn't realize that. That's why the $5 didn't come off. These are the 2 register rewards I used from last week. Paid $15.26 out of pocket. It should have been $12.26 if the correct coupon came off. But again, that's my fault. I should have checked and made sure that I removed that coupon first. But I was switching between accounts and I was trying to make sure that I was as organized as possible. So I paid $17.73. I didn't use any Walgreens cash rewards. Oop, keep going, there we go. And I got back $10.35. So I got back $7 from the paper booster and $3 from the digital booster, because you can stack those. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $5. Submitted my receipt to Shopkick. It always takes about 48 hours for them to let you know your kicks that you got back. I'll be getting back $5.40 from them. And so overall, my total cost today is about $6 out of pocket, including taxes. Some of these products, of course, I can resell, so I am totally okay with that. Then I will show you guys, I just did the Axe separate, and that way I could use Walgreens cash as well. So I got the 2 Axe. The coupon did come off of that version, even though it wasn't pulling up in the app, so I'm happy with that. Used $2 in points, paid just the taxes pretty much out of pocket, and got back the $2 register reward. So that one wound up working out perfectly as well. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to enter in the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.